What is Euroinvestor app? So let's just install it to see how it works. This app is developed by Berlingske Media, so it's one of like the Danish corporation. And then you can just see some markets news, some shares and all of that. I don't know if this app works outside of, if you can use it outside of Denmark. But here you just see the overview. It's like you can see all of the news here. Some action, like news, some courses. No, it's not courses, it's shares. But here everything is just in Danish. So it's kind of like a Danish app to kind of invest. I'm not sure if you can actually invest here, but you can create an account and then you can accept privacy policy, get some newsletters. So this kind of like education investing app. If you read Danish, I guess that's what you can try out.